Hello everyone, I am Pratibha. Once again welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about ONGC recruitment 2020 and 2021. So मैंने आप लोगों के comments पढ़े and all of you had a very common question that when ONGC recruitment 2020 and 2021 will come. तो मेरे एक ONGC Q&A पे मेरे फादर के साथ एक वीडियो आई थी जिसमें मैंने आप लोगों को ये बताया था कि ONGC रिक्रूटमेंट 2020 वो नवंबर या फिर दिसंबर तक आ जाना चाहिए था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडमिक इट गॉट सीवियरली इम्पैक्टेड, वो नहीं आ पाया. एंड अबाउट 2021 वो कब आएगा इसके बारे में मेरे फादर आपको बताएंगे आगे की चीज़ें. मेरे फादर ONGC में एज अ ED रह चुके हैं, तो जो भी जितनी भी जानकारी है वो आप लोगों को देंगे कि ONGC रिक्रूटमेंट 2021 कब तक आएगा एंड 2021 वो क्यों नहीं आया. तो मैंने एक छोटा सा वीडियो इस पे बनाया हुआ है जिससे आप लोगों के सारे जो डाउट्स हैं वो क्लियर हो जाएं. आई होप ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा. तो चलिए आगे आपको पापा बताएंगे कि ONGC रिक्रूटमेंट 2020 और 2021 क्यों अभी तक डिले हो रहा है.
Good morning. I am really very happy to talk with you regarding the recruitment process of ONGC, which was delayed mainly because of pandemic and other situations in reality. As you are aware, the oil price has slumped to below $20 a barrel. Just because of that, many companies were shunted out of the business. USA, USSR, Russia and other major countries, they had big problem in carrying out their exploration and exploitation mission job. What they wanted is, they wanted to keep the oil price above $40 a barrel just to ensure that they can make good money out of oil business. Most of their projects in the shale gas was almost stopped in US and Russia. Therefore, they had to make the campaign with the help of OPEC to curtail the output of oil production so as to jack up artificially the oil price, which is right now $67 a barrel, wonderful price for oil companies. But again, it is big loss to the human as well as nation. As a nation, we never like to have high oil prices or gas prices. Gas prices are lower as compared with last year. We are sticking to the boundary of ministry as well as international gas prices. There we are having some losses, but in case of oil price, since it has recovered to the level of $67 a barrel, we feel that this price is likely to continue for future also, in order to make the US and Russia producing all the oil fields with good margin. Unless they make the margin, they will never be happy. Same is the story with OPEC countries also. They want to ensure the oil prices should remain at higher level just to make good profits so that they can create artificial world in the open sea. I am sure ONGC has also sailed very well through this phase and come out of recession like world. It is doing good business. I am sure the last quarter of 2021 will be amazing profit maker. Now coming on to the recruitment process, it was delayed just because of pandemic situation. Movement of executives were halted. Many of the transfers were stopped. And the reason being, very difficult to move the people in the pandemic situation, taking so much of pause for quarantine like facility to keep the executives in quarantine at starting station as well as their project station. It could not be carried out for longer period. We had to take some pause in terms of crew changes, which was happening at 14 days on off. We made it 28 days on off so as to facilitate their good number of days stay at their hometown when they go from their hard working areas of projects. Now with the pandemic calming down, we are limping back to normalcy in ONGC and other oil sectors. I am sure you will not mind the delay in pandemic situation and causing the delay in recruitment. Now ONGC will go ahead with recruitment of 2021, not 20 rather, it is 21 only. Now already the projects, they have given their demand as how many numbers they require the young graduates in various fields. Once the number has been simulated or gathered, now it will be processed. It is already under process. I am sure by March end or April you will see the gazette in the paper for recruitment. Now it is up to you, how do you prepare? See, those who have already completed GATE 1920, they are also eligible, whereas those who have qualified 2021 2021, they will also be qualified for the entry in ONGC on the basis of GATE scores. So I am sure it is end of your patience and you will enjoy the daylight with advertisement anytime now. Please remember, always have patience. It will pave you nice path to progress and you will have wonderful life with company like ONGC. I am sure it will not bother you much and you will be excelling with your mission. Best of luck to all of you. Enjoy your life. Keep posing the questions to us so as we can keep clearing your doubts whatever way it is possible. All the best once again. Jai Hind.
सो आई होप आप लोगों के जो डाउट्स हैं वो क्लियर हो गए होंगे एंड ONGC से रिलेटेड और भी अगर आप लोगों के दिमाग में कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं तो आप लोग कमेंट करके मुझे पूछ सकते हैं। आज का वीडियो बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं आपसे नए ब्लॉग में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते, बाय।